Next guys, type any browsers to Google search box, Lenovo IdeaPad Fax 5 driver download, and you can see this is official website pcsupport.lenovo.com. Just right click to new tab, go to this tab. After that you can see this is your laptop here, okay, and otherwise you know about your serial number, about your laptop serial number, you can type here, then click to search, so you can find out your laptop. Okay, so there are two method, first automatic, second manual. So in this automatic update driver, so you can click to scan now, and it software automatically scan your system, and after that require driver to install. Second is manual, so if you have to some issues separately installs this, select the driver. Then guys, click to fingerprint reader. So this is a fingerprint reader driver, or you can size, okay, just click to download. Okay, it is completed, just single click, then click to yes, then next, I accept, next, next, and install, uncheck, and then click to finish. Then guys, restart your system.